Let me take you through now what's happening in Delhi. While you have some officers like Pooja Khetkar, or at least attempted to be an officer, lied through her way into the UPSC, here you have genuine, hard-working UPSC aspirants who are doing all that they can to put, and sincere efforts that they're putting in to become IAS, IPS officers. And here is the tragedy that they face. Protests now have erupted in Delhi after 3 UPSC aspirants died in Delhi floods while water gushed into the UPSC coaching center, Rao's Academy, killing 3 young students. The civil service aspirants now protesting out on the streets against Rao's coaching center, an indefinite strike that they've now sat through. They've begun that strike. They were detained by the police. Many of them claim they won't end that strike or protest until all their 10 demands are not met. The students are demanding compensation for the families of the 3 students. In fact, they want up to 1 to 5 crores. That's the number they've asked for. At least a minimum of 1 crore to be given to the families of deceased, and also for Rao's coaching center to compensate separately. Many of these students were detained by the police earlier today while they were protesting. A student delegation, meanwhile, met with MCD Commissioner today to put forth their demands. MCD will also be issuing a detailed statement on this killer apathy and their lapses, hopefully by tomorrow. As per sources, MCD has promised to create a student desk for any further grievance re-wrestle. Amid this, AAP netas, including Atishi and Shelley Oberoi, went to the protest site today to meet with the students. Of course, they did meet with a lot of criticism as well from the students. Delhi government says now that they will bring in a law to regulate coaching centers in the city. The government will constitute a committee comprising of government officials and the students from different coaching hubs to frame a law to ensure that UPSC aspirants are protected. Basements of 30 coaching centers, meanwhile, in Rajendra Nagar, Mukherjee Nagar, Lakshmi Nagar, Preet Vihar have all been sealed, while notices have been issued to nearly 200 other coaching centers. Today, we also saw a bulldozer bringing down the gate of one of the coaching centers that was violating the building bylaws. So we're looking at all post-mortem action being taking place. Had this been done a little earlier, then we could have saved the 3 lives.
Okay, you can see, guys, detained right now.
ये क्या होता है, जबरदस्ती डिटेन किया जा रहा है हम लोग साइड में रोड पे खड़े होके बोल भी नहीं सकते। ऐसा हम लोग के साथ डिटेन किया जा रहा है। इस प्रोटेस्ट को एकदम खत्म किया जा रहा है।
And amidst this, they have been put in the bus after Delhi police also suggested that they would sit on the other side of the road and protest, but clear visuals of students being detained. They all have now been taken away.
आज दिल्ली सचिवालय में यूपीएससी के बहुत एस्पिरेंट्स से हमारी मुलाकात हुई। उन्होंने हमें यहाँ पे बुलाया और स्टूडेंट्स को मिलने से कहा। तो आज जो कानून दिल्ली सरकार लेके आने वाली है, उस पे लेके हम यहाँ पे यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट्स से बात करने आए हैं।
और इवन उन्होंने ये हमें एश्योरेंस भी दिया है कि इमीडिएटली वो कुछ 2-3 काम करने वाले हैं। सबसे पहला वो क्या, हमने कंपनसेशन की बात करी थी, तो कंपनसेशन के लिए भी वो आगे एश्योर हैं कि ठीक है, आपको कंपनसेशन प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा बाय राउज आईएएस। और फिर उन्होंने उस यहाँ पे जो टॉयलेट्स वगैरह हैं जो गंदे रहते हैं, उस चीज़ का भी हमने मुद्दा उठाया था। उस चीज़ के लिए भी सीवर सिस्टम का उस चीज़ का भी किया था। तो उन्होंने बोला कि इस चीज़ को हम कराएंगे, और जो एंक्रोचमेंट यहाँ करी गई है उस चीज़ को भी उन्होंने इम्प्लीमेंट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है। अब देखो, जेसीबी आई थी, उन्होंने बोला था कि जेसीबी हमने उसी टाइम भेज दिया।